Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL U3 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the normal mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general settings. Let's move to the center to the photo settings, and here we can see the picture size option, so let's pick it. Now we can decide between 1 megapixel size, 1 and 3, 2 or 3 megapixels. So this is how to change this. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible option, 3 megapixels. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.